Hello everyone, my name is Nancy from teachingwithnancy.com, and today I'd like to share with you how to embed a Google Doc into your Google site. This is a great way to collect data and also to share data in real time. So keep watching and I'll show you how easy it is.
To embed a Google Doc into a Google site, the first thing you need to do is you need to have a form created. You can create a form here. I already created one that I want to use, and it's just a survey, a short little survey with 2 questions. What state are you studying, and what was one interesting fact you learned? So in order for me to embed this into my Google site, once you have it done however you want, you click on Send Form, Embed, and it will give you this embed code. You can also change the size of it. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Copy it. Done. And now go to your site. I have this Google Site Playground. And this is just a site that I set up so that I can try out different Google gadgets and things that I'm learning. And once you're on the page that you want to embed the form into, just click on Edit the Page. Change over to HTML, paste the code, update, and save. One more thing I'd like to show you is if I would like visitors to also see what other people's responses have been, you can add the response sheet into the site as well. And I'm going to embed it at the bottom so that you can see how that works. So let's go over to the response sheet. This is the response sheet. I've just included 2 responses just so there could be some data in there and you can see how that works. I don't want the timestamp to show, so I'm going to hide that column so that that doesn't come out when I publish it. Now from here you're going to go to File, Publish to the Web, and there's different options here. If you have more than one sheet, you need to tell it, I just want the form responses. I want it to automatically republish when someone adds another answer so that I don't have to keep going back. So it'll refresh. You can stop publishing or publish now. Right here, it's going to give you more options of how you want to publish it. I want to publish it as a HTML because I want to embed it into the page. So once I click on that, then I copy this code and go back to my site, and here I am, and then once again edit the page, change over to HTML, paste it at the bottom, update, and it's there. Let me save it so you can see it. And if you notice, it cuts off my question here. That's because I need to go back and change the width because I left it as default. So I'm going to have to go change the width of my form so that way when you can see the whole thing. Here I am again on my form, and to adjust the width of you can adjust it here. I've also aligned my questions to the left so that they're not centered and then it gets cut off. So now go to File, Publish to the Web, and here I'm going to go to HTML, and then by default it makes it 500 to 300, so I'm going to change that. I want it to match the other form's widths, and it's 760, so I'm just going to type over that, copy the code, close, and go back to my Google site, and I need to delete the other one. So just hover over it, exit HTML, paste the new code, update, now they're the same width, save, and there it is. and now my question's not getting cut off. So you can just play around with it, and so you can get it as as big as you like or as small as you need it to be. And that's how you can insert forms into your Google site.
I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you. For more tutorials like these, visit my YouTube channel at teachingwithnancy.com.